very angry, furious, very big, enormous, very bright, radiant, very cold, freezing, very colorful, vibrant, very crowded, packed, very dark, pitch black, very delicious, delectable, very dry, arid, very easy, effortless, very fast, rapid, very friendly, amiable, very funny, hilarious, very generous, benevolent, very hot, scorching, very hungry, ravenous, very important, crucial, very interesting, captivating, very large, massive, very loud, thunderous, very messy, chaotic, very nice, pleasant, very old, ancient, very poor, destitute, very powerful, potent, very quiet, silent, very rare, scarce, very rich, wealthy, very sad, miserable, very salty, saline, very scared, terrified, very serious, grave, very sharp, razor sharp, very shiny, gleaming, very short, brief, very sick, ailing, very sleepy, drowsy, very small, tiny, very smart, intelligent, very smooth, sleek, very soft, supple, very sour, tart, very spicy, fiery, very strange, peculiar, very strong, robust, very sweet, sugary, very tall, towering, very tasty, delicious, very thin, sleek, very tired, exhausted, very ugly, hideous, very warm, toasty, very wet, drenched, very white, pure, very windy, blustery, very wise, sagacious, very young, youthful, very zesty, tangy, very zigzag, serpentine, very clear, Transparent. Very bitter. Acrid. Very brave. Courageous. Very calm. Serene. Very old-fashioned. Antiquated.